Welcome to my channel. See how I mechanic.
Mira la torre como está de sucia, man. Mira eso. Tengo que arreglarle. Tiene a little bit of rust right there. I'm gonna fix that. Ese rayón. Pues le voy a cambiar el color, anyways. Ahí tiene otro golpecito. El hood está todo pelado. Se lo ve. Aquí está roto el bumper también. Let the action begin. Let the action begin. Let the action begin. So I had to strip this hood down all the way to bare metal because it was starting to get rusted, as you can see on the very first video where I showed the van. Round one. 120 sandpaper. That's all I use for the whole entire hood. So I put more strip on it and I'll just let it sit overnight, and then the next morning I sand everything down, 120 grip, the whole hood. All right, what I got here is 400 sandpaper. Hey, Lulu. Can I work, Lulu? Hey, hey.
Not looking.
So 400 sandpaper. And I got my assistant here. He's gonna help me. He's gonna help me get water on it. So I'm gonna just sand it down. Hey, buddy. Woo! I'm gonna just sand it down. When you sand this down, you wanna try to go only one way. You don't wanna go crazy. So I'm gonna just try to go, you know, like front to back. All right, Nene, go ahead, give me some water. Okay. Slowly. All right, that's good. So I'm gonna do half first here. I'm putting a little bit of pressure on it. Nene, more. Over here. See how I'm just going up and down. Okay, that's good. Do it on the top and the water's gonna come to me. Up here, right here. Yep, that's it. So you stop sanding it when you're gonna feel it. It's gonna be real smooth. You gotta go inside the edge right here. So as you hear the noise, you can hear the noise when you're sanding it. When it becomes smooth, it gets quiet. Okay. So we got half of it done. Do the whole thing like that. All right, so I got some blue paper towel. I'm just gonna pre-dry it so I can bring it in, because I gotta paint this inside the garage. It's too windy outside here and too dusty. So I'm just gonna get the most I can. And then I'm gonna bring it in and pre-dry it inside and clean it. Alright, so I'm just gonna continue drying these now. When you're drying these, try not to dry the edge and then go on top of it because you might bring some grease. So try not to clean the edge and then you clean the top. Always leave the edge for last. So clean the surface first, and last you're gonna clean the edge, and that's it. Then you're ready for paint. So I'm just gonna wet these. Now, when you're using this type of cleaning, the acetone, you gotta do it real quick. You can't just do it real slow and let that thing, soap and wet. You're gonna melt your primer. So you gotta do it real quick. Don't stop. Once you start moving your hand, don't stop. I don't want to leave it for too long, make it too wet. And when you get ready to get your rag wet again, don't do it on top of the hood. You do it away from the hood because if you get a drip on it, you're gonna melt your primer. Just put it here, tilt it, and I fold it again. Now I'll do the other half. Like I said, don't do it too slow because that thing might take the primer away. Like, it will strip it. You gotta move quick. Okay. So now that I clean the whole top, now I'm gonna clean the edge. Angle. Just clean all around the edge. When I start painting, you're gonna have to go outside. Actually, hold on. I'll give you a mess. Alright, keep shaking. Alright, so since I had the hood in the bare metal, I did 2.5 primer, 2.5 bottle, and now we're trying something new. So I got this new bottle. This is the name of it. And I'll show you the price on this. So it's one big bottle compared to, so if you put it next to a regular bottle, so this would be like 2 in 1. Like 2 in 1. Now, the only difference on these is the nozzle is real wide. Look at that. This thing, it says here up to 10 inches white spray. So I'm gonna give it a try. See how it goes. So this bottle is under $10. I like it. Let's see how it goes. So they only have 2 options that I saw, black and white. So this one is the black one. The cap will tell you the color. So let me check this real well. All right, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh, that thing has a good cover. Oh yeah. Wow, that thing covered good. Oh yeah. So let me go around the edge.
This thing covered good. And I would say the bottle's still up to here. So, still full. So let's wait 10 minutes, come back. All right, 10 minutes went by. So here we go, second coat. Good. So we're another 10 minutes. All right, this is the third coat and final coat. Third and final. Alright, that's it. That's done right there. And I still got paint. So I did 3 coats. The bottle's about here. So that's good. That's a $10 paint job right there. Get this one off. So we're gonna let it dry. And if any imperfection like little dust or anything, we can always sand it down and buff it. I mean, you're not gonna get it perfect one shot, you know, but man, that is gloss. You see the reflection? So I'm gonna let it dry. Ooh, that look good. All the angle. No runs. No drip. Perfect cover. All right, and now I'm gonna show you the plan that I got on this van. So you gotta stay tuned. I'm gonna show you right now what I'm gonna do to that van. All right, so here's the receipt. So we just gotta deduct the 998 right there, and then we gotta deduct the 976. So that's gonna leave us with like $73. I know the total show 93, but we're not gonna use those. We're not gonna include those two. One, we're not gonna use that. Two, that's not part of it. So $73 for 1 gallon of this smoke gray. Then I got some stuff to speed up the drying process. So that would be like the harness to make it dry faster. This would be the acetone to mix it to make it thinner, because right now this paint is real thick. So this paint is not made for car, but adding all this stuff, you can make it work for car. They only have 10 colors to choose from. As you're gonna see on the preview on the video, I'm gonna show you all the colors that you can choose from. Alright, so these are the colors. So we're gonna go to this one. We're gonna choose this one, smoke gray, $34. This is the one we're gonna get. But yeah, the plan will be, I'm gonna paint that van. I'm gonna paint the whole van. I'm gonna prep it, fix all the scratches, and then I'm gonna paint it this color, smoke gray. So that's the plan. Stay tuned. I'm gonna let the hood dry and then put it on. I got a new bumper coming, new front bumper, because this one is broken. This one is broken right here, and it's also broken on this corner. So I got a new bumper on the way. I just put a new engine in, 70,000 mile engine. So yeah, I'm building this van, family van for my kids, so I can fit all my kids in there. And I don't like the blue color, plus it's not in the best condition. It has a lot of scratches. So yeah, stay tuned. That's gonna be the next project. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share so you don't miss that project. All right, see you in the next one, and you'll see how it's gonna come out. Take care. All right, so there you have the hood installed on the van. So like I said, once the hood dry, completely dry, like I'm gonna let it dry like for a week or two, and then I'm gonna sand it down, wet sand it with 200 sandpaper, and then I'm gonna buff it down to make it shine again. But yeah, that thing didn't come back. It didn't come out bad at all. I like it. I mean, if you look at it from here, you can't even tell that thing, it was spray painted with a spray bottle. All right, can't wait to see this thing fully painted and fully built. I'm gonna transform this van so it doesn't look stuck anymore. I got a lot of parts already to put in, but that's gonna be in separate videos. So yep, there you have it. Look a lot better.